Hey guys, Kountess here. Today is day 2 of 7 days, 7 headstands. And today we are doing the Muka Hasta Sirsasana B, which is the second unsupported headstand in the Ashtanga series. So it is intermediate, it's a bit harder. If you're not comfortable with this yet, keep working on your tripod. Get those shoulders strong, get your alignment and your core strong before you attempt this if you feel uncomfortable. So we're going to start this by entering similar to the way that we entered into tripod. You're going to set it up on your hands and knees and go ahead and line up your shoulders with your wrists, your knees under your hips, and place your head on the mat and lift your bottom up and walk in, just like tripod. Only now you're going to push your hands out, palm up, and again, activate those fingertips for your thumb and your ring finger and your wrists all pushing down into the ground while your shoulders create a solid foundation for you to move up and forward over. Same with tripod, you can practice doing one leg or two. And make sure you get those shoulders stretched out before and after. A second way of entering this position, if you're comfortable with the first way, is simply to place your hands by your side, out and activated, and your head on the mat. And just push up from here. Make sure you stretch yourself out afterwards. Push to downward dog. And finally, we end in child's pose. Hands to heart center. Fingers always activated. Namaste. See you guys again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.